Well, strengthening seasonal climate intelligence is very urgent, especially now that we are observing frequent extreme weather events.
You can only manage what you know. You cannot manage what you don't know. And climate variability is a reality in South Africa.
It's really interesting to see climate science, actuarial science, agronomists, agricultural meteorologists, soil scientists together in this room, really thinking about the holistic picture. How do we take different information, different data sets, combine them in this new and exciting field, which is AI?
Farmers raise concerns around the issue of planting. So onset of rainfall, that there's not enough information given to them before the season begins.
Collaboration across the board, like in this case, you've got universities, you've got ourselves at Climate AI, and you've got the Agricultural Research Council. They are a necessity. So the first thing, of course, is to get the seasonal outlook right. I think that should be that's the first step. If we're able to get the seasonal outlook right, then we can now start to break down into finer details. There are certain processes and of importance that we need to understand when it comes to long-range forecasts, calibrating medium-range forecasts in other projects and so on. So what we want to do is, and also within our team, is to build a scientific competence in terms of the application of AI responsibly in areas such as climate and weather forecasting, as well as the downstream applications.